So for this What Happens Wednesday, we're going over certain equations that we learned in class. One of them being the maximum percent overshoot given by this equation, MP equals 100 e to the negative pi damping ratio square root 1 minus the damping ratio squared. Then you have your peak time, which is the essentially max time given by this equation, your 100% rise time given by this one, and then your delay time given by this equation, TD. We are then able to use these equations to solve example problems like this one with a second order OD. We first must find our omega n and then our damping ratio, which we can then find our NP using these variables, and then later finding all of our other variables like TR, TD, and also TS.